And I must tell you that we are celebrating Innovation Week from 22nd to 28th September 2025 on the occasion of birthday of our Honorable Chairman, Sir, Dr. Aseem Chauhan, Sir. So here we have organized the international conference. It was a 2 days international conference, and so many participations, around 130 participations were there. And we have ended with the very successful event, that and the participation of the students was very good. It was very much difficult to judge the poster sessions as well as the oral presentations. We have never thought about that such kind of the presentations will be there for the students. So आप अपने लिए पहले ताली बजाएं, please. Thank you everyone for participating in this conference. So now I will call upon my MCs, Ms. Ada Rizvi and Mr. Utkarsh Kumar, to take the session.
As we come to the close of this Enriching Today conference, it is now time for our valedictory session. Over the past 2 days, we have witnessed insightful deliberations, thought-provoking discussions, and innovative presentations that have truly added to value to all of us. Let us now move forward to celebrate the contributions of our participants and extend our gratitude to everyone who made this workshop a success.
One of the highlights of this workshop has been the active participation in oral and poster presentations. To honor the hard work, creativity, and research excellence of the participants, we now move towards the prize distribution ceremony. I request all the respected faculty members to kindly join us on stage to felicitate the winners. All the faculty members are requested.
संगीता मैम असिता मैम सर्टिफिकेट बच्चों को प्रमोद कुमार से
So let us first begin with the poster presentations. The third prize goes to Saisha, Mitali, and Astha. We would like to request Professor Dr. Asita Kulshresht ma'am to kindly present the certificates to the students. Winners. Yes, go.
Second
Ashutosh. Ashutosh Lal.
second for the stomach. Second position for poster presentation award goes to Ashutosh Maurya. है तो आशुतोष मौर्य और फर्स्ट भावना अनन्या त्रिपाठी। पोस्ट कर दो तब थर्ड शेषा मिताली और चार लोग हैं एक का नाम नहीं सोच रहा।
Now, the first prize for poster presentation goes to Bhavna and Ananya Tripathi. Ashutosh Maurya. Where is
Ananya Tripathi.
Bhavna, please come.
Bhavna and Ananya Tripathi? Please come on stage. Tie.
Yes, so it's a tie.
Now, let us move to the awards for the oral presentations. The third prize goes to Miss Shalini Kumari.
Yes. The second position for oral sessions The second position for oral sessions is a tie between Mr. Shubham Das and Mr. Pankaj. इसके बाद संगीता ये प्रॉब्लम है वो वाटर तो हो सकता है।
Now, for the first prize for the oral session, the award goes to Miss Vidhi Jain.
Now, I'd like to call upon stage Dr. Amrish Kumar Pandey, the session judge for International Conference. Dr. Samapriya Trivedi for session chair. Dr. Monica Kamboj for session judge. Dr. Amitabh Wahi, sir. Now, I'd like to call upon stage Dr. Sangeeta Bajpai, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, हाँ
सर्टिफिकेट कराना है, क्या कराना है? सर्टिफिकेट हाँ सर्टिफिकेट तो आप ही बोलेंगे, ये लोग बोलेंगे।
Okay. Now I request all the faculty members to take their seat. Huni. Now I'm calling the names of the participants for oral and the poster presentations to take their certificates. Okay. Mr. Vishal Kumar from Budelkar University. Ms. Harshita Dwivedi for poster presentation. Ms. Jyotsna Singh, Ms. Jyoti Maurya, Mr. Anuj Kumar, Mr. Saurabh Tiwari, Ms. Alaknanda Yadav, Mr. Vishal Kumar. Vishal Kumar, please come. Harshita Dwivedi, Ms. Jyotsna Singh, Ms. Jyotsna Singh, Ms. Jyoti Maurya, Mr. Anuj Kumar, Mr. Anuj Kumar, Ms. Jyotsna Singh, Mr. Saurabh Tiwari, Ms. Alaknanda Yadav, Ms. Prakanksha Gupta, Mr. Amandeep, Mr. Shashank Shekhar Dwivedi, Mr. Amandeep, Mr. Shashank Shekhar Dwivedi, Ms. LV Zotan Kimi, Ms. Nikita Yadav, Ms. Mansi Rawal, Miss Yashika Mishra, Mr. Anmol Singh. Mansi. Miss Yashika Mishra is present. Mr. Anmol Singh. Anmol. Nikita. Nikita Yadav. Yashika Mishra. Mr. Kulwant Singh. Miss Vagisha. Mr. Ashutosh Maurya. Make a semicircle, please. Mr. Kulwant Singh. Mr. Ashutosh Maurya. Miss Prachi Mishra. Miss Prachi Mishra. Is she present? Mr. Avinash Kumar. Miss Inaya Idris. Mr. Prakhar Shrivastava. Mr. Prakhar Shrivastava. Miss Roshni Yadav. Miss Mandvi Shrivastava. Mandvi Shrivastava. Miss Wajiha Fatima. Mr. Tanay Tripathi. Roshni Yadav. Mr. Tanay Tripathi. Mr. Vaibhav Kumar. Now I request our respected HOI ma'am, Professor Dr. Esther Kushesh ma'am, to join the stage. I request Professor Sanjay Mishra sir, please to join the stage. I request Professor Pramod Kumar sir to join the stage, please. I request Professor Amitav Wahi sir to join the stage. I request the convener of the conference, Dr. Gunjan Singh, to please join the stage. The students are requested to come in front, all the students to have a good photograph. Pooja Yadav, Miss Pooja Yadav is also there. बच्चे please, please. Now I just request all the dignitaries on the stage to stay behind. And I request all the volunteers to come on the stage. I request all the dignitaries to stay behind on the stage. I request all the volunteers to join the stage. Along with all the faculty members who are present here. Ma'am. Now I request my convener colleague, Dr. Gunjan Singh, to come up the dais to distribution of the oral certificates.
Okay. Now I would request remaining participants to receive their certificates. Miss Shalini Kumari. Mr. Pankaj Gautam. Miss Geet Gupta. Shalini. Come fast, please. Come. Pankaj Gautam. Geet. Miss Aanchal Yadav. Miss Aanchal Yadav present. Miss Anjali Singh. Miss Shweta Gupta. Shweta Gupta. नहीं. Miss Samiksha Agnihotri. Mr. Sharik Nawaz Khan. Miss Anusha Khan. Anusha Khan. Mr. Ayush Srivastav. Mr. Raman Kumar Singh. Miss Parthivi Avasthi. Miss Rashmi Naik. Mr. Aditya Singh. Miss Ishita Singh. Yes, your name? Ma'am, please. Mr. Aditya Singh, Miss Ishita Singh, Mr. Hariom Prasad. Mr. Vishal Singh. Miss Amarpreet Kaur. Vishal. Miss Amarpreet Kaur. Miss Amrita Chaturvedi. Vishal Singh. Amrita. Miss Zeenat Fatima. Amrita. Mr. Ziaul Haq Zia. Mr. Ankush Singh. Miss Simran Kaur. Miss LV Jotha Kimi. Mr. Tanay Tripathi. Mr. Tanay Tripathi is there? No. Few participants are also left. Hand. अच्छा हाँ हाँ बुला दीजिए तो मैं जो बैठूं ब्लैंक एसआईएल के हैं तुम ब्लैंक सर्टिफिकेट मुझे लाते हो हाँ वो बैठ जो दिख रहे मुझे उनको दे दीजिए ना in between I am calling Dr. Chandni Kumari from SIL session, Dr. Sachin Kumar, Dr. Samapriya Trivedi, Miss Rashmi Naik, Dr. Anirudh Banerjee. Okay. हाँ हाँ क्या नाम है उसका नाम Mr. Shubham Pathak and Mohammad Tahir, please come. ये तो कन्वीनर हाँ ये अभी ले लो ना ठीक है अरे मैम
मोहम्मद ताहिर
ब्लैंक मैम सर्टिफिकेट तो मंगाइए अच्छा अभी ये वापस करना कुछ
ब्लैंक
हाँ बस हो गया और कोई बचा है पूछे हाँ और कोई बच्चा है मैम ठीक है तो नहीं बाकी तो नहीं your name चलिए मैंने okay just take a picture and then return it I'll thank you अरे थैंक यू सॉरी अभी देते हैं आपको देंगे हाँ now Sahuji is there yes I would like to request our senior campus photographer Mr. Suresh Kumar Sahuji on the stage and I would request Professor Asita ma'am to felicitate him with a memento.
Thank you.
So here we end up the sessions with the certificate distribution. Now I call upon my colleague, Dr. Gunjan Singh, for vote of thanks.
Hello. Thank you is such a prayer that cannot be seen or touched. It must be felt by heart. I, Dr. Gunjan Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Amity School of Applied Sciences, Amity University, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow campus, feel honored and privileged to get this opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion of International Conference valedictory session. I'm very grateful to our Honorable Founder President, Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan, sir, Amity University, for his blessings and visionary leadership. Further, I would like to extend my gratitude to respected Chancellor, sir, Dr. Atul Chauhan, sir, Amity University, Uttar Pradesh, and respected Chairman, sir, Dr. Asim Chauhan, Amity University, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow campus, for their continuous motivation and guidance. I would like to express my sincere thanks to our respected Vice Chancellor, Ma'am Professor Balwinder Shukla, Amity University, for her continuous support and direction that radiated a source of energy within us. I am very obliged to our Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Anil Vashish, sir, Amity University, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow campus, for his blessings and valuable support in every dimension. Thank you, sir, for motivating us always to step forward in life. Now, I would extend my heartfelt thanks to respected Deputy Pro Vice Chancellor, AUUP Lucknow, Wing Commander Dr. Anil Kumar Tiwari, sir, for his suggestions to conduct this event. I am very thankful to Professor Dr. Rajesh Kumar Tiwari, sir, Dean Academics, AUUP Lucknow, for his continuous support and direction in the execution of this event. I would like to thank Professor Dr. Asita Kulshrestha, HOI ASS, AUUP Lucknow, for her consistent motivation and suggestions. We are blessed to have her guidance and continuous support always. On behalf of Amity University, Lucknow campus, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our esteemed guest of honor, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar Srivastava, Vice Chancellor, Bastar University, Chief Guest, Dr. Kuldeep Kumar from Bonn University, Australia, Professor Banik sir from UAE, for gracing this occasion with their presence and sharing their valuable insights. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all these speakers and presenters for their enlightening and inspiring contributions. For your knowledge and experience have enriched us all. A special thanks to the organizing team and volunteers whose dedication and hard work made this event possible. Your effort behind the scenes are truly appreciated. Thank you so much. And I would like to request my audience for a round of applause for the volunteers and our organizing team. Our sincere appreciation also goes to the participants for their active involvement and enthusiasm with which made this event lively and meaningful. Thank you so much for coming here. In addition, I would like to thank all HOI and HODs and my dear colleagues to grace this occasion with their valuable presence. I also want to thank the people who work behind the scene to execute this event, our technical arrangement team and office staff from Amity Lucknow campus and Noida campus both. Thank you so much. Further, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to admin, security, hospitality, press, and social media department for their consistent support and execution. Our sincere appreciation also goes to Proctorial Board, ESCO department, and Sahuji for their active involvement. And this vote of thanks will be incomplete without my sincere thanks to my mentor in this journey, Dr. Pooja Srivastava ma'am and Dr. Sangeeta Bajpayee ma'am. We worked as a team. I personally learned a lot from these two senior professors. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Almighty God for making this event a grand success. And thank you all to whom I forgot to acknowledge here. Once again, thank you all for your attention. And with these words, I am signing off this valedictory session. Thank you so much. Bola maine. And thank you, Abhishek sir from ESCO department. would like to request all the members, student and faculty members present in this auditorium for a last group photo. I would not say last, but last photograph of this international conference. So please come on the stage. And now, as I have signing off this ceremony, but personally, I would like to thank.
Please, before signing off, the mementos of the conveners and our chairperson is left. So please, round of applause for them for organizing this workshop. Oh, sorry, conference. लो जल्दी लिखो लो किसका है क्या ये किसका है दो दो दो
हम सेशन में थे हमें पता ही
दो जाके नहीं दिया नहीं अभी
सबसे पहले तो अर्पिता मैम
जाओ ना फोटो खींचे सामने